to attend a debate competition under the BIS club, ब्यूरो ऑफ इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स। ये क्लब जो है सभी स्कूल के अंदर।
Good morning, respected judges and my dear friends. Today, I am here to express my views is the use of technology changing the people better in against. The most noticeable effect of technology is the shortage of memory, not as in computer but as humans. With Google constantly at people's fingertips, it's easy to look up information rather than memorize it. Due to human always using technology, it has used humans to become lazy. Technology such as handheld tablets, smartphone and computer can hold a person's attention for a long time. But children's brain are still developing and sensitive to affect the technology and it overuse the adult brain. Most of the important things for the student is their ambition and their goals. The way have to achieve study for. But to the extensive use and addiction of the technology, they lose their interest on technology. They are using studies. Here I want to highlight some bad effects of technology for student life. Waste the precious time for the student. Technology distracts students for their ambition and goals. Waste money of the student. They buy unnecessary things. Loss of creativity. One of the most things about modern technology is the loss of creativity. As I said before, modern technology is the most distracting thing. Nowadays, people are always busy using modern technology. Creativity is something like finding new things and unique ideas. But they use technology and busy their mind using technological gadgets. Technology based our precious time. You think that how can I say that technology waste our time? Actually, this is one of the bad effects of the technology on us, but we did not recognize it. There are a lot of modern technology gadgets the most people use and waste their time. In today's technological world, most people are addicted to technology. They are always busy using technology. You go anywhere, restaurant, bus, taxi stand, anywhere, you will definitely find people using technological instruments. And people now all depend on technology. If we take all the technological instruments and gadgets from them, they will not capable of doing work properly because they all dependent on technology. And by this they lose their creativity and also health issues. It is also use of unemployment because a single machine or computer is capable of completing the work of many people. So it is also the cause of unemployment. Thank you.
If the teacher was not a person or a machine, they can make a mistake a large number. Then they will have a doubt of something new. Nowadays, we can hear that the person we can make the robots have a pre-affordable affidavit which can make and they have a control in humans. In Arizona, the person can be killed by a modified car because they is sensible for the environment and natural. So I am against to this that artificial intelligence can cause the harm for humans and as well. Thank you and